V or F separation. Set P4.00 to 5. Motor 1 V or F curve setting enters the VF separation mode. In VF separation mode, the voltage setting channel is selected via P4.27. The output voltage is changed by changing the value of the voltage setting channel, without changing the frequency. Now, we will demonstrate how to use the keypad voltage setting as the voltage setting channel of P4.27 to change the voltage curve characteristics. First set P4.00 to 5. Then set P4.27 to 0. Use an oscilloscope to grab a curve of the current frequency versus the output voltage. When P4.28 is changed, it can be observed that curve of the output voltage changes significantly, without any change in frequency.
INVT. INVT.